So now today we are going to do the flow of lateral extension. This is very good for extending your spine sideways and work on your quill muscles. So let's start. So we'll start while sitting in a Vajrasana. So everybody extend your arms sideways. Inhale center, exhale, bend to the right side. Inhale center, exhale, bend to the left side. We'll repeat it 3 times. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Change Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll try to drop our elbows and hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Change Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Change. Now inhale, both the hands up, come up on your knees, interlock your fingers, extend your arms up. Inhale, bend to the right side and hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll change. Inhale, bend to the left side and hold Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now both the hands at the sides. Now we'll go for Parigasana. Take your right leg out. Now we'll start with the lateral extension. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Now we'll hold to the right side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Hands at the sides. Take your leg inside, drop your hands down. Now we'll repeat the same with the left leg. So left leg out, hands at the sides. Inhale, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, center, exhale, bend to the right. Now we'll go and hold to the left side. Om 1, Om 3. Now from here, we'll go in Prasarita Padottanasana. So you drop your hands down, turn your toes, lift your body up, come in Prasarita Padottanasana. Now from here, we will extend the arms forward, maximum extension. First we'll hold here, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll go to the right side. So when you're going to the right side, just focus on your left buttock. It should not be coming forward. It should be going back. Keep extending as much as you can and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Then come at the center. We'll go to the other side. Make sure you push your right buttock back and extend your arms forward and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now we'll come at the center. Now from here, take your both the hands at the side, slowly come up. And now we are going to go in a Trikonasana. So first just keep your hands on your hip joint. Raise your right heel up, 45 degree in, toe up, 45 degree out. You can extend the stance of your legs. The more the extension, the more the distance between the legs, the more the posture, you can do it perfectly. Now step 1, buttock roll down, navel tucked in, shoulders back, elbows back. Now extend your arms and now keep pushing this pelvic inside and keep rolling this buttock up, up, up. When you have a maximum buttock rolled up, extend your arms and then drop your hands down and then hands up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Directly from here, we are going in Parsvakonasana. Your bicep close to your ears, bend your frontal knee at 90 degree and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly from here, touch your forearm onto the thigh and extend your other arm and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here, make sure your knee remain 90 degree. We'll take your body at the center, hands at the sides. We are going to do Veerbhadrasana 2. So just turn your neck to the right side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Slowly, now take your toes forward, hands on your hip joint. I will repeat the same with the other side. Now we'll start with the other leg. So now raise your left heel up, 45 degree in, toe up, 45 degree out. Again, you can increase the distance between your leg as per your comfortability. And now we'll go for a Trikonasana. So same instructions, buttock roll down, navel tucked in, shoulders back, elbow back. Now tuck your left pelvic in and start rolling the right buttock up, up, up as much as you can and keep pushing this pelvic in. Extend your left arm, extend as much as you can. Then drop your hands, chest back, hands up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. We'll go in Parshvottanasana. Directly from here, bend your knee up till your knee and heel comes at 90 degrees. Hands at the side, and now bicep close to your ears. And hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now keep your forearm on your thigh. Other hand remain up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your body at the center. Hands at the sides. Knee back. Body at the center. Buttock roll down. Look towards your left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now directly from here, take your toes in, both the toes at the front. We'll again go in Prasarita Padottanasana. Drop your hands down. And now from here, we are going to go in a Kali Asana. So raise your heel up 45 degree in, and now make your knee and heel 90 degree. And then left heel up 45 degree in, make your knee and heel 90 degree. Make sure maintain the squat position with your hands remain down. After that, just lift your body up, and now we'll go for the lateral extension. So hands at the back, inhale, exhale, bend, touch your elbow to the knee and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Other side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Forearm on your right thigh and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Other side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Right hand down. Left hand bicep close to your ears. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Change. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here again straight your knee first, and now we are going to go for a leg stretching. So now from here, like we go in a Skandasana, so bend your right knee and now completely drop your leg down. Try to sit on your buttocks, and now take your leg like this in a Parivriti Janushirshasana. We are going to do Parivriti Janushirshasana, 2 variations. First variation, keep your left hand on your calf, and now right chest back, right shoulder back, and then try to hold your toes and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your left hand and try to hold your toes, and try to take your right elbow maximum back and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now for switching the side, you need to again come up in a Prasarita and then again sit to the other side. We'll repeat the same with the other leg. So right hand on your calf, left hand sideways as much as you can. If you can hold your toes, then fine. If you can't, just be there for 3 counts. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now take your right hand, hold your big toe from left hand upper toe, and then keep taking your elbows back, open up your chest and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here we'll come in a Baddha Konasana. We'll sit in a Baddha Konasana. In Baddha Konasana, make sure your spine should be straight, knees should be pushing downward. From here we'll go for the side bending. So hold your leg and now bend to the right side and hold. Make sure your right elbow remain extended. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Chain the side, right hand up, bend to the left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here we'll go in Anantasana. So side lying leg raising. So first we are lying toward the right side, and now raise your upper leg up. First bend your knee, hold your toe and try to straight your leg and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now directly from here, just lie down completely, other hand like this, and take your leg at the side. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here directly go to the other side, and now lift your other leg up, bend your leg, hold your toe and lift the leg up and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. From here directly come and go towards your left side and hold. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3. Now from here take your leg at the center, bend your leg and just hug your leg in a Pavan Muktasana and relax.